Hello there, I am Applebee. I am here to have fun with you while we learn. Come, let's sing my song together. Hello, I'm your friend Applebee. We'll have fun together, just you and me. We'll learn our letters and our numbers too. We'll learn our colors red, green and blue. So let's get started, do come along. Let's clap and sing the Applebee song.
Let us visit a railway station. Engine. Passenger train. Guard. Indicator. Passengers. Bookstall. Porter. Clock. Luggage. Bench. Food stall. Ticket checker. Answer the following questions. What is a railway station? A railway station is a place where trains stop for passengers to get on and get off. Which trains do we see at the railway station? We see local trains that run within the city and long-distance trains that run from one city to another. What is a porter also called? A porter is also called a coolie. How do porters or coolies help us? Porters or coolies help us by carrying our luggage. Who drives the train? The motorman drives the train.